Shalom! In today's video, we'll be learning some adjectives in Hebrew. And since in Hebrew, the adjective has to agree with the gender of the noun that you're speaking of, I will first teach you the male form of the adjective and then the female form of the adjective. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The male form of beautiful is יפה. 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 The female form of beautiful is יפה. 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 The male form of ugly is מכוער. 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 The female form of ugly is מכוערת. 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 The male form of tall is גבוה. 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 The female form of tall is גבוהה. 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 The male form of short is נמוך. 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 The female form of short is נמוכה. 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 The male form of big is גדול. 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 The female form of big is גדולה. 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 The male form of small is קטן. 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 The female form of small is קטנה. 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 The male form of fast is מהיר. 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 The female form for fast is מהירה. 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 The male form for slow is איטי. 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 The female form for slow is איטית. 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 The male form for smart is חכם. 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 The female form for smart is חכמה. 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 The male form for stupid is טיפש. 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 The female form for stupid is טיפשה. 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 The male form for old, as in an old person, is זקן. 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 The female form for old is זקנה. 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 The male form for young is צעיר. 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 The female form for young is צעירה. 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 The male form for rich is עשיר. 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 The female form for rich is עשירה. 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 The male form for poor is עני. 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 The female form for poor is ענייה. 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 The male form for hot is חם. 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 The female form for hot is חמה. 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 The male form for cold is קר. 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 The female form for cold is קרה. 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 The male form for quiet is שקט. 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 The female form for quiet is שקטה. 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 The male form for loud is רועש. 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 The female form for loud is רועשת. 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 The male form for hard is קשה. 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 The female form for hard is קשה. 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 The male form for soft is רך. 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 The female form for soft is רכה. 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 The male form for bright is בהיר. 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 The female form for bright is בהירה. 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 The male form for dark is כהה. 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 The female form for dark is כהה. 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 Please let me know in the comments below if there is anything specific that you would like to learn. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so you would be the first to know when I release more videos. For now, תודה שצפיתם, thank you for watching, and להתראות. Goodbye.